Today I'm going to show you how to edit your pictures, most especially beauty pictures, beauty photos, because I am into makeup, I'm into beauty, so most of the times the picture that I upload on Instagram are beauty photos, makeup pictures, here to say. I'm going to be telling you in this video today how I edit my pictures for Instagram that are Instagram worthy, that are explore worthy. Yes, if you're interested, keep watching, okay? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tonya King and I am all about beauty and lifestyle in general. If you're not subscribed, do subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thanks for coming back. I'd like for you guys to please turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on my videos, which is on Tuesdays and Sundays. So let's go straight ahead. So basically I use about 3 apps. Before I started using iPhone, I was using my Android to edit my photos. So I was using Beautyplus, I was using Facetune. I still use them, not like I was using them on my Android, but now I use my iPhone to edit, using Facetune, using Beautyplus, using Lightroom as well. Those 3 apps are quite effective if you're into editing beauty photos like I am. Try those apps if you haven't tried it before, because like Facetune has, you can kind of sharpen your pictures, you can add details, make it more detailed, especially the brows or the lipstick, whatever it is that you want it to be detailed. Facetune can help with that. Then Lightroom, what I use Lightroom to do is to add contrast, to add brightness, to add saturation, to add a bit of vibrance and whatnot. Then for Beautyplus, it is almost like Facetune, but just that the Facetune has some other things that Beautyplus doesn't. Facetune has a defocus feature where you can blur out the background. That's what Facetune has. And then but Beautyplus doesn't have it, but then it's really effective. I love it because it's easy to use compared to Facetune. Let's go ahead, let me show you what I mean. We're gonna start with Lightroom, so stay with me, guys. This is my Android phone right here, and I took this picture using this phone. So now I'm going to show you how I edit using Lightroom. So I'm opening the Lightroom app. So now I'm going to come over here. So I'm going to select this. You select and you press the add. Automatically goes to Lightroom. So right now this is my Lightroom gallery. So I'm just going to click on the picture I want to edit. So this is the picture I want to edit. It's in Lightroom already. You see where you have the selective, healing brush, crop, and you see other features. I come over to crop first of all, and I crop it however I want it to look without this. Can you guys see that? Just get my face okay, it's right here. Yeah, so this is how I want the picture to look like. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the automatic. So this auto feature right here, it's kind of like automatically edits your picture without you doing much work. So I'm just gonna click on the auto, and it has automatically edited this image right here. Yeah, so if you press on it to take you to the before, so this is the before and then this is the after. If you just press on it to take you to the before and this is the after, so you'd see the difference. Detail will kind of like sharpen it. So if I want to sharpen, I'll just increase this sharpening here, right? Sometimes I like to put it in 30 and sometimes in 25. You'd see the number there to guide you. And mind you, when you are editing, make sure it's the same figure, or it's the same editing feature or the same editing app you use for all of them, so, and the same editing numbers for all of it, so that it doesn't look different from each other. And as you can see, it's sharpened. Look at the before. This is the before and this is the after. If you can see clearly, it is really sharp. So right now it's quite sharp and I think I'm okay with this. But guys, if you want to do much, you can just play with these features right here. These features right here, you can just slide and check them all out so you know what they're for. So basically that's what I do using Lightroom. So when you're done with the Lightroom, make sure you save it. So you're gonna come here to save the image into your gallery. You see save to device, and then it's saved. I'm going to go ahead and use the Beautyplus to edit further. So this is Beautyplus app right here. I come over here to pick on the picture that I want. You just click on this photo editor, come over here and select where I saved my picture. So my picture is supposed to be in Lightroom, so this is it here. So I'm gonna click on it, and yeah, so this is the picture I just edited right now in Lightroom. So now what I want to do here is I want to smoothen it out. As you can see, I can see my pimples. My face is still kind of like rough, so I'm just going to use the smooth. Look at it down here. I'm gonna use the smooth, and look at that. So it's going to automatically smoothen it out. So if you want to check the before, you just come here. So if you just click here to check the before and after, you get what I mean. So as you can see, it's a bit smoothened out, but it's not as smooth as I want it to be. So I'm just going to increase the smooth. Yeah, I'm gonna take it down to 60. I want it to be on 60, so it to be smoother than it is right now. So as you can see, are you guys seeing that? This is smooth right now. Can you see that? This is the before, guys, and this is the after. If you want to increase the smoothness, you just come over here, take it further, put it on 80, and let's see, 80. Are you guys seeing how smooth this is right now? Are you guys seeing how smooth this is? So let me show you the before. This is the before right here. This is the after. This is the before, and this is the after. I'm just clicking here to check the before and after. This right here, I'm just pressing on it to show you guys the before and then the after. And next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to OK it right here. So now I'm going to go on to whiten, because I want my eyes to be brighter and, you know, whiter than it is right now. I'm going to zoom in with my hands. As you can see, I'm going to zoom in with my hands, zoom into the eye, and go to manual, then just swipe around the eye area to make it whiten, and you zoom it out and in again for the second eye. Yeah, so if you just press that here again, you will just see the difference between the two. You might not really see it. Can you guys see it? See it? This is the before and this is the after. This is the before, this is the after. So this is the after work, guys. I am done editing this photo, so I'm gonna OK it, and that is it. When you try it on your own, you understand better what I am trying to show you guys. So I'm just gonna save it down here. I'm gonna press this to save the picture. So it is saved. Yeah, guys, for Facetune, so now I'm going to select on this picture that I just finished editing. I'm going to click on the picture and it's going to open on Facetune. So now what I'm going to do is I'll further smoothen it out using Facetune. I'm going to come over here, smooth. What you do is just swipe around it to make it smoother. Are you seeing the difference between Facetune and Beautyplus? Beautyplus, you just has this guide to how much smoothness you want, but this you just have to use your hands to kind of like smoothen it out. So I'm just gonna touch it a bit. Use this to know the before and after. This here, this right here, and this is the before, this is the after. Smooth enough for me. And what I will do is that I will just OK it right here. Go to details. You can see details. So it just kind of like accentuates your makeup. That's what the details does, like under this Facetune. So I'm just gonna swipe through the brows. It's gonna make it sharper. If you guys can see, like I said, you can try it on your own, so you see what I am saying. So you just use this and just swipe, just use your hands and swipe through. I'm gonna swipe also on the earrings, on my lips. So this is just gonna make it brighter and, you know, more sharper than it was. That's what the details is for. I'm going to go on to defocus, yeah. So what defocus does is just kind of like blur out the background or blur out the areas you don't want to be visible. So let me say I want to blur out this part right here. So I'm just gonna, are you guys seeing there? Are you seeing it? So it's blurred. This is the before, this is the after. Let me just erase that because I don't want to defocus this part. So mind you, just use the defocus feature when there's something you want to defocus. You get what I mean? And I'll just okay it, save. So this is one thing about Facetune that I don't like. It has an advert, and the thing is, you would have to watch the advert or you pay. That's just it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.